Kitchen 101. True tea comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, an evergreen shrub native to Asia. This plant is responsible for black, green, and white teas. The difference in color and flavor comes from how the tea is processed. Black tea is oxidized. Green tea is heat-treated but not oxidized. White tea is naturally dried without heat or oxidation. The caffeine levels of tea are impacted by how it's processed too. Black tea has the highest amount, white tea has the lowest amount, and green tea is in the middle. Caffeine-free herbal teas are not true teas because they're not from the Camellia sinensis plant. Herbal teas or infusions have a wide variety of flavors and colors and can be made with fresh or dried ingredients including herbs like mint, flowers like chamomile, or roots like ginger. To prepare tea, always start with fresh, cool, filtered water. The proper water temperature varies between tea varieties, as does the recommended length for steeping. When in doubt, follow package instructions for the perfect cup. See you next time!